Okay, today's topic is about dividing fraction involving addition and subtraction of fractions. So, first example is 3p plus 1 half divide 1/4 minus 1/8. So, muna itong button. So, solution. So, LCD sa 3p plus 1 half is 10. So, 10 ang LCD. 10 divided 5 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 10 divided 2 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Next. So, ang LCD sa 1/4 of 1/8 is 8. 8 divided 4 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 divided 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So, 6 plus 5 is 11 over 10. Divide 2 minus 1 is 1. Copy ang 8. So, let's proceed. 11 over 10. So, reciprocal niya. Kabaliktaran. So, may 8 kini. May mo 1. So, 11 times 8 is 8. O, 10 times 1 is 10. Or, pila na siya. So, kung ato i-simplify na ay 8 over wala. So, 88 over divide 10 is 8. So, 80. So, 8 over 8 over 10, or kung atong lowest term 8 and 4/5. So muna atong final answer. Okay, another example is 6 and 2/3 minus 2 and 1/3 divide 3 plus 1, 6. So solution na to. So atong simplify ang nasa parentheses. So let's 3 times 6 plus 2 over 3 minus 3 times 2 plus 1 over 3. So divide. So ito yung unang fraction ng 3. 3 over 1 plus 1/6. So, improper na, no? Improper, no? Dissimilar fraction. So, next is 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20 over 3 minus 3 times 2, 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Divide. So, ang iyang LCD is 6. 6 divide 1 is 6 times 3 is 18 plus 6 divided 6 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So, next. So, 20 minus 7 is 13. Copy ang 3. Divide 18 plus 1 is 19 over 6. So, reciprocal niya is 13 over 3 times 6 over 19 is equal to 13 times 6. Bilang 13 times 6. So, 18 carry 1. 1 times 78. So, 78 over 57. 4, atong simplify atong answer. 78 divide 37 is 1. So 78 divide 57 is 157. Subtract na to. So na ay 8 minus 7 is 1 and 2. So 21, 1 and 21 over 57. So 1 and 21 over 57 ang atong answer. So mo na atong answer. Okay, another example is 4 over 9 times 3 divide 3 fifth minus 1/3. So atong button is imuon nga ang 3 nga fraction. So 4 over 9 times 3 over 1 open close divide. So the CD niya is 15. So divide natin 15 sa 3 ug sa 5. 15 divide 3, 5 is 3 times 3 is 9 minus 15 divide 3 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So, pwede na to. So, 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 1 is 9. Divide 9 minus 5 is 4. Copy ang 15. So, pwede na to mag-multiply. So, let's 12 over 9 times. Bali ang reciprocal niya. Reciprocal. Baliktad. So, 15 over 4. So, answer is 12 times 15 is 180. O 4 times 9 is 36. Or kung atong i-simplify ang atong answer kay improper man. So let's divide 180 sa 36. So 180 divide 36 is 5. So 180